Good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're doing something different. As you can see, my hair is already sectioned into 4 sections, so you can tell it's kind of like a tutorial, and yes, it is a tutorial. So today's video will be how I apply a protein treatment on my hair. It's been quite a while since I did the protein treatment and my hair was like, yo, you gotta do something, and yeah, so I decided today is that day. I usually protein treat my hair after every 6 weeks. After 6 weeks I protein treat, but I have stayed for like 2.5 months without doing the protein treatment. That was bad. That was really bad. So the treatment I will be using, drum rolls please, ta-da! I'll be using the Oz Origin Root Stimulator Oz Hair Restore Hair Mayonnaise with nettle leaf and egg protein. Yeah, so it says it is infused with nettle leaf and egg protein to nourish with, while olive oil and wheat germ oil help restore damaged and depleted hair. Yeah, my hair is quite damaged because you can imagine I've stayed for like 2 months without protein treating. So yeah, so it says apply small amount to wet hair. My hair is wet, you can see it's dripping. Comb through for even distribution. Cover with plastic cup and let process under warm dryer for 15 minutes, then rinse and towel dry. So let's get into the video. Stay tuned guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and go check my video on protein and moisture balance. The link is up here, kindly go check it. It's a very informative video, though it's part 1. I'll do part 2. Yeah, so go check that out. Stay tuned. Yeah, let's get started. So what I'm going to do guys is I will turn so that I can show you how I'm doing it on the first section. So once I've turned like that, I'll just pick some of the mayonnaise. It's really light, like that. That is enough. Then I turn. So I'll just rub it on my hand. Then I go in. You can see that. I like focusing more on the ends because that's the very weakest part of your hair. Do more there. So that we take our comb, our white tooth comb through. So there, you can see that. Then I'll make a twist. So there you have it guys. I'll do the other parts quickly so that you can see. But that's the concept. Just apply a little on the hair strand, then comb through, focusing more on the ends, and then you tie it into a braid or a twist. Yeah, so let's proceed. So guys, there it is, we're done. I'm going, since I don't have a heat cap, I'll go to the salon and I'll be put into the dryer for about 15 minutes. Then I'll be back. Stay tuned guys. So hi guys, I'm heading to the dryer. I'm heading to the salon to look for a dryer. Yeah, so let's go. Let's go. So I'm not sure if I'll get a dryer, but let me go see. Then for 15 minutes, then we'll be back. So guys, we're at the salon. I'll be in the dryer for 15 minutes, then I'll show you the results once I'm done. So guys, I'm back from the dryer. Yeah, so we're going to rinse it out. So guys, I'm back into the house. Before I rinse out my hair, I just want you to see how when you apply heat onto the treatment, it usually opens up your hair strands and then the protein just seeps in. So you can see, let me rinse out to see how much it will work some magic. So guys, I have finished towel drying, or rinsing and towel drying. Now let's undo the nini we had made. Yeah, there's a big difference, let me tell you. A very big difference. Very big. Oh god, I love it. So that's how we do the protein treatment. Do it within a period of 6 weeks. Difference between the one you've done and the next one you will do, let it be 6 weeks or 4 weeks. Don't do it every week or every 2 weeks. You'll be overloading your hair with lots of protein, which is not good for maintaining your protein and moisture balance. So that's it guys. I feel so nice. My hair feels so good. It feels like I have fed it with some really nice chicken. Yeah. It feels really nice. So that's it guys for our hair. Let's learn to take care of our hair. Let's learn to listen to our hair. Listen to what those curls are telling you. If you feel like they're telling you they need some water, just give it to them. Mine was needing some protein. I fed it, and she feels really nice. And I know she'll reward me by growing. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying till the end. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that subscription button. I just need 20 people. We get to 300. Kindly let's mobilize your friends, mobilize your family. If you bring just one person to watch and that other person brings another, and that the chain continues, we'll grow this channel. So thanks guys, till next time, bye.